Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Jeep Compass, Jeep Patriot or Dodge Dart, guys, with a 6-speed automatic transmission. All of these vehicles share the same transmission, and if you want to know the solenoid diagram, what solenoid is for specific gears, let's say you have problems with third gear, fifth or reverse not working, or second or sixth not engaging, or torque converter not engaging, stay with us. We'll explain, guys, where each of those solenoids are located, and why you should change your transmission oil quite often, and sometimes up to 3 times, guys. Stay with us and we'll explain that as we go. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this absolutely free information to you. If you need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So with that being said, let's explain, guys, what we have specifically here. This is the 6-speed automatic transmission known as 6F24 for Dodge and Jeep products, but actually this is a Hyundai transmission, guys. That's right, this is a Hyundai transmission. You can check out on the internet and see that it's a Hyundai transmission, but the Hyundai name is A6 MF1 instead of the F24. So now let's go ahead and explain about the solenoids. In order to replace solenoid, you need to remove the oil pan, drain the fluid. We have a video that explains how to replace transmission solenoid if yours is not shifting. Check out the fluid, guys. It's in terrible condition. You see those swirls? That's clutch contamination, that's worn clutches, guys, practically. So if you don't change your transmission, that fine dust will actually start depositing in shifter solenoids, valve body. It will wear out the transmission and you can say bye-bye to it. It's very important to change it quite often, and I will put, actually you can check the video on our channel. It explains how often you should change the transmission oil on Jeep, and on Jeep Compass, Patriot and Dodge Dart as well. Another thing, always use original transmission or you may develop really bad problems as well. So those are the solenoids, right here, guys. Let me pull one of them to show you what they look like. They're just practically solenoids that divert the oil pressure to different passages, and that's how the transmission functions. So let's go ahead and explain what each one of those solenoids is for, and how to know which one it is, guys, if you have problems. If you need to test the solenoids or clean them, we have a video that explains how to do that as well. We start with the very bottom one, and the very bottom one is the line pressure control solenoid, this one right here. Then you have shift solenoid A, shift solenoid B. If you have problems, codes for shift solenoid, you know where to do it. OD solenoid here, UD solenoid will be number 5, and then we go to number 6, which is solenoid for 2nd and 6th gear. Solenoid 7 is for gear 3, 5 and reverse right here. And the last one, will be the TCC solenoid, also known as the torque converter control solenoid. If your torque converter is not engaging, it could be that solenoid right here. So you get the idea, guys. Those are that's the diagram for those. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.